Did you know that around 62% of the UK's total waste comes from the construction industry? A significant portion of this waste is plastic sent to landfills instead of being recycled after construction is completed. This is because not all recycling facilities are capable and have the equipment to process plastic waste from construction sites. This inaccessibility of proper recycling facilities results in a low recycling rate, forcing manufacturers to produce new plastics, resulting in more waste. It's time to stop adding to it. Introducing the Blue Cycle Recycling Scheme by SP Group. This program is designed to help companies recycle used plastic materials without having to worry about logistics or finding the right facility. With the Blue Cycle Recycling Scheme, you can show your commitment to sustainability. It positions you as a leader in responsible waste management. In an industry dominated by plastic waste, this gives you a clear competitive edge. At SP Group, we understand the importance of sustainability and we are committed to being an environmentally responsible company. So, how does the Blue Cycle Recycling Scheme work? Here's the breakdown. Start by purchasing. Order any of our 100% recyclable products. A product with this sign in our catalogue is qualified to be recycled after use, while some products with these logos on their labels are also recyclable. Then sign up. Talk to your account manager to add the service to your order. This service is applied on top of your purchase. The collection charge will depend on volume and location. After that, the collection begins. Used materials will be collected after your project is done. Our team will coordinate directly with your site foreman to gather and collect your used plastic materials. They should be gathered on site onto a minimum of 2 pallets prepared by you or stacked approximately 1,200 millimeters in height. The pallets should be wrapped and sealed with straps, or the materials should be gathered in ton bags. To avoid adverse impacts on the environment and reduce the carbon footprint when collecting, it is advised that the maximum quantity should be collected at once at the end of the project. Next, you'll receive certification. Certification will be given once the used materials arrive at the recycling facility. This will indicate the year you or the company joined, just like this. Finally, the recycling process takes place. In this last stage, compiled plastic materials will be recycled into new plastic products. And just like that, recycling your plastic has never been easier. No more excuses for them to end up in landfills. Now, let's answer some of the frequently asked questions we get. Why is the certificate given before the used materials are recycled? Used plastic materials are recycled in bulk to lessen the resources used to process them. Therefore, depending on the number of materials that we have accumulated, we may have to wait for more used materials to arrive before we start processing them in the recycling plant. Once your used materials arrive in our recycling facility, we already consider your role in the program as fulfilled, and we'll do the rest. How much carbon footprint can you save? Depending on your used materials, you can save 20 to 40% carbon footprint on average. That's a great start in cutting down on waste, and we can help you with that. But there's more. £2 or €2 from every order above £2,000 or €2,000 will be donated to WWF UK through Work for Good. We've partnered with them to ensure that every order gives back to environmental organisations to complete the sustainability loop. What are you waiting for? Join the Blue Cycle Recycling Scheme and do your part. Get in touch with your account manager or reach us at 028944 28611 or at sales@s-pgroup.com. Our sister company, SP Gilray, is also part of this scheme. You may contact them at 01322442006 or at sales@speegilray.com. Take the next step today.